Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Woman Gets Kicked Out of Ritzy Hotel, Goes Crazy by a Crime Scene Cam.
Police were dispatched to a hotel in reference to an unwanted guest causing a disturbance.
That can't be good.
What's up, buddy? She was in here, proper grit, just being very disrespectful. She was like cursing at guys, almost.
She is so drunk.
Like, she fell over there, but she almost fell over here. I grabbed her. We're just trying to verify.
You should.
She is a guest here. We're trying to accommodate her, tell her, hey, go back up to your room. Call her
Probably like on the scale of like what you should and should not do. Like
she just took off. She fell down a couple times, but now she's back here.
Do not do that shit.
We need to find out if she's a guest
Don't
here.
do it. Don't fucking.
Nobody recognizes her?
No one recognizes her, but she does have a bracelet.
So usually that means yes, right?
Yeah, that means that she is a guest, but we just need to verify her.
How are you? You having too much of a good time?
The drinks are drinking. Them bitches are strong.
I have a question for you. So
Are you Julia?
What the are you guys like doing right here? Because I'm gonna get the up and leave if I see any more people surrounding this place. And also, like, why are you surrounding me? Like, I've done nothing wrong.
Cause your ass going to jail.
And like, you're watching like people, like, so
Where's she going?
Get me the out of
Where's she going?
here. Get me out of here.
That thing get back there. I will say that. She ain't got no man to be handling all that.
She's single too.
She allowed to go back in?
Yeah, shit.
Yeah, she's crazy.
Oh shit.
George. You guys are
You about to get permanently banned from this nice ass hotel. And this motherfucker look nice.
okay. Ma'am, you get to go outside.
Excuse me, wait,
Ma'am.
I need to talk to my.
Ma'am, you have to go outside. They don't want you to.
I need. Why the fuck are you doing this to me?
No, you have to go outside, ma'am. Come on.
We'll wait for.
What are you doing? I need to talk to my boyfriend.
He's on the way down. He's coming downstairs.
Do you know? How do you know this?
Listen, miss, he's gonna
Why are you downstairs without your boyfriend?
meet you outside. Can
How do
please
you
go
know
outside?
this?
I just talked to him.
Why are we
Sorry,
talking
Tony.
to me?
Jerry's coming right now.
Yes, why are we talking to
Julia,
me?
could you come outside with us? I need you to
Okay,
come outside with us.
why are we talking to me?
Come outside with us, okay?
Why are we talking to me? What have I done? What the
You know she the problem when a boyfriend upstairs not wanting to fuck her.
have I done?
She has to go.
Oh,
Definitely gotta go.
okay,
Everybody's dressed up in suits and shit. Yeah, this is very snobby.
clear. So
Bougie! Can't wait to be in this echelon.
give me a break if I don't give a
Okay.
about.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Stop screaming. Stop screaming. If not, you're gonna go to jail. Okay?
Okay.
You are trespassed from this hotel. Listen. No,
Where I'm
listen.
staying here.
You're not allowed to stay here. If you come back,
Why the
listen to.
Wait,
Ma'am.
no, excuse me. I'm staying here.
No more.
So why? Give me a reason.
They want you off the property, so leave the property.
Give me
I told you.
reason.
I just told
She can't even stand up in them hills. I know them shit's hurting her feet.
you. You gotta get off the property.
No, you did not
did.
give me a
Yeah, I did.
reason. You little you did not.
Yeah, I did. They don't want you on the property. That's the
Okay,
reason.
so why the reason is they don't want me on the property.
Where's Jerry at?
So please, this is my boyfriend, right?
Jerry,
I would be like, fuck.
she has to leave.
Take her out of here.
Yeah, off the property completely.
Oh, that's her sugar daddy. Okay.
Why the
Hey, Jules. Don't say anything else, please. Otherwise, you're gonna get arrested.
I don't feel like Jules is gonna listen to you, sir.
Is there a reason why I can't be kept here on property? I'm just curious.
They have the right to remove anybody from the
No, but I'm curious.
You don't have to do anything.
No, but I'm serious. I'm
just told you.
curious.
We don't know why. They called us because of whatever disturbance you're causing, and they want you off the property. That's all we know.
Oh, hey,
So that's it.
I'm
So your boyfriend
confused about?
It's really not that hard to explain. You feel me? Like, you're too fucked up. You're very, very hot, but you're very a dumbass too. So it just doesn't mix well. You can't be both.
What am I confused
Well, actually, in this case, you can, but you're gonna go to jail.
about? Why the
There's nothing to be confused about.
No, there absolutely is a lot to be
And she don't like to listen because he told her, "Hey, Jules, don't say nothing else," and she just keep talking.
confused about. Are you serious? So then you're stupid.
I guess I am.
Yes, that's true. So you're just stupid. That's okay.
Yeah, I guess so.
We like stupid people too.
Where's she supposed to go though? That she's inebriated. Like, where's the husband at or the boyfriend?
No big deal. Stupid people are people. If we were in an actual world, we'd actually be friends, I think. But
What the fuck are you talking about?
I don't think so.
oh, fuck off.
I don't think so.
Okay, then you're just friends with stupid people. I don't like those people either. So fuck off. Have fun with stupid people.
She drinking spring water out of a fucking car? Yeah, she's definitely bougie.
Who the fuck are you? Who are you? What's your name?
Smith.
I would like to know all of your fucking names because I'm gonna be
She's not gonna remember them, guys. She is fucking hammered.
reporting them.
That's great. I just told you my name's Smith.
Yeah, I'm like recording it right now. So
Okay, cool.
Smith. What's
What is this right
What's
here?
your actual
That's it. Smith is my name.
No, what's your first name?
You don't need my first name.
I actually do. I need to know your
She don't.
first name
I
and
just
your
told you
fucking
mine.
second name.
No, I don't.
I need to know every name that it takes to. Yes, I do. I'm recording this shit.
Go ahead.
You guys are so lazy. I understand
Thank
that
you.
you guys. No, I understand.
I understand, yeah. Thank you.
No, I understand that like having you guys as like a proponent is like pretty much like just like a death nail. Because
Cool.
like
Cool story.
anyone in your fucking like service is going
What is she talking about?
to get fucked. So you.
We get her off. She can wait over there across the lobby.
No.
I think we'll have you
No.
Julia, I'm the manager of the hotel.
Tell me how the.
We get off property. This is way too distracting.
Let's go across the street.
Wait across the street.
Go across the street.
Need to wait.
Across the street.
Okay, well then push
Across
me.
the street.
Push me.
Come on.
Oh.
Push me.
Did she just fall down like a fucking child?
You can get off. You can get off the
Fucking
property, or
across
you can
the
go to jail for trespassing. Is that what you want to do?
Jesus fucking
Go across the street.
What the hell?
fucking Christ. You guys
Go across the street.
Never mind. I thought it was fat. That thing like some flapjacks.
Excuse me. Ow! You fucking hit me.
Oh, is she kicking? Hold on, I gotta rewatch that. What the fuck? Hold on.
Excuse me. Ow! You
Oh.
fucking hit me.
And she's kicking with heels on.
Now you can go to jail. Quicker.
No!
All you had to do is just leave, babe. Why you kept talking and starting shit?
Get the f off of me!
Give me your arm.
No!
Your arm.
Get the f off of me! Get the f off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me!
Ready?
Yeah, you're cooked.
Get off of me! Get the f off of me! Stop!
What the fuck?
Get up. Stop it! Stop!
Was this really necessary? Like a big ass spoiled brat.
Advice was taken, unknown time delay. Go to 5607 in the lobby. Last wearing a black shirt.
You can stand up or we're gonna pick you
Stand
up.
up.
Stand up or we're gonna pick you up.
Get up.
Stop!
Sit up. Stand up then.
Just get me out of here.
What's she crying for? Oh. Like a cat that don't want to get neutered trying to go into the cage.
Get off of me!
What's she crying for? I don't understand why she crying. This is what you wanted, right?
No!
Stand up.
Stand up. You're literally laying on the ground with no pants on. Get up and get in the car. Get up.
Put that in.
Keep your legs up. She's stuck to my gas. Don't you hit me.
Fucking dumb.
Pull it.
Get that shit, you mother dumb shit.
You gotta pick up her
I
legs.
will
Now she's not going into the car. What the fudge?
722 to 702.
What the hell is she doing?
dumb shit. Stupid fun shit. I don't give a f. I literally don't give a f.
Well, she's going to jail. I'll tell you that right now. No doubt. No, 100%.
He said no doubt.
100%. Okay.
You guys alright?
Yeah.
Just be gentle, shit.
He's definitely gonna break up with you after this.
Be gentle. She's kicking us and punching us, bro. What do you mean be gentle? I'm sorry. We were very nice to her. We were very nice to her the whole time.
Come on, bro. He ain't got nothing to do with this. He just trying to take care of his sugar baby. That's all.
My apologies. There's no being gentle anymore. It's done.
The suspect was charged with multiple crimes, including felony battery on law enforcement.
That don't mean nothing. He finna pay all that shit off and get it expunged off her record.
She pled not guilty, and her case is still ongoing. Consider subscribing to Crime Scene Cam for more updates.
I would've did the guilty or the not guilty. I would've did the no contest, so it don't go on my fucking record.
And check out these next videos.
But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to hold on, Chuck E. Cheese mascot steals credit card and regrets it. Chuck E. Cheese out here stealing. And then mother and daughter duo get reality from oh yeah, we definitely checking out these. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well. And that's it, baby. We out.